Kidney Beans Chayote Stew or Kidney Beans Mirliton Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Chayote recipes and one of the most different of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make Kidney Beans Chayote Stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of kidney beans soaked in water for 5 to 6 hours, 3 green chilies, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 15 to 20 shallots, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 100 to 150 grams of chayote or mirliton, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let it get heated. Put in the pieces of the onion. The pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, salt, Now put in the garlic, salt, salt the garlic. Now put in the shallots. Salt. Salt the shallots with the garlic, ginger and onions. Put in salt to taste. Put in the chayote piece. Salt. Start and mix the chayote piece. Thoroughly saute it. Put in the green chili. Thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the fennel powder. Salt and mix the fennel powder with the rest of the mixture. Put in a spoon of mixture of spices. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the kidney beans. thoroughly mix the kidney beans with the rest of the mixture. Put in 50 ml of water, mix, and nicely incorporate all the ingredients into each other. Pour in another 150 ml of water, mix thoroughly, and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the kidney beans chayote stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final kidney beans chayote stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the chayote recipes and one of the most unique of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.